Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dong and I'm now here in Brisbane. So in today's vlog, actually, I'm very happy and very glad that this will be my last flight before my AVL or yung annual vacation leave namin. I'm gonna have a full 21 days off. Well, actually, it's gonna be a total of 23 kasi after nito. May 2 days off pa ako and then my AVL. So that's a total of 23 and I'm very excited for that because it's a straight 2 years na wala kaming big vacation because naabutan kami ng cut-off para sa bidding ng AVL. So, diretso 2 years kami puro trabaho. Wala akong masyadong gagawin. This is actually my second time here. And the first time I was here was last year. But then, 3 days out lang kami. Parang less than 24 hours lang yung stay namin dito. But now, it's a totally different situation kasi 4 days out kami. So, we have this 1 whole day off to ourselves. But then, I chose not to go out kasi nagtitipid ako for my AVL after ito. I'm gonna vlog what I'm gonna do here today. And my plan is I'm gonna work out kasi hinahabol ko yung beach body ko daw. Kasi I'm planning to go to beach kasi yun talaga yung napaka-unwind sa akin. That's my plan. Well, that's the game plan for me. After I go to the gym, I will make the question and answer vlog na nire-request nyo sa akin. I'm also gonna do that later. Well, actually, I just came from the mall. Bumili ako ng steak because the first thing that I will do sa AVL ko is go to Cebu and visit my friend. Tapos, magluluto kami ng steak. So, I'm gonna show you what I bought. This one, Scotch steak. Ito. And then, I also bought lamb racks. Very excited about that kasi magaling magluto yung barkada ko. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you a quick room tour. Well, actually, parang hindi siya room kasi yung hotel na sinestayan namin dito is like a apartment. I got a very huge place here. So, I'm gonna show you around. And let's start from here. So, I got the mirror there. Tapos ito yung banyo. Laki din ng banyo. Shower area. And then here's the bedroom. Yung bed separate. Pero hindi ako nag-aircon kasi malakas na yung ceiling fan. Tapos may sala ako, malaki din. Yan, there's a TV. Yung ref. Got ayun, pwede magluto dito. May oven din sila. Ayan. And there's the veranda. Yeah, dito. And that's my view here outside. By the way, dyan ako mag-gym later sa Boxing Fitness Center. Sana may free weights sila. Oh. I don't know if you can see pero parang meron silang weights. Ayan. All the hotels or yung places na sinestayan namin. Ito dito sa Brisbane yung pinakamalaki. I mean yung pinakamalaki na area or yung for me pinakamaganda na hotel namin is dito sa Brisbane. Kasi nga sobrang spacious niya, 'di ba? Pwede ka mag-host ng party dito. Oh, ayan. 'Di ba? So right now I'm gonna prepare to go to the gym and yun, I'm gonna also be vlogging there para makita din natin yung gym dito. So it's also my first time to go there. So ayun, prepare lang ako. Tadaan! Yan. So I'm already dressed up to go to the gym and I'm still wearing a cap kasi tadaan, nakit ng buhok ko. And sobrang init din sa labas. It's like more than 30 degrees. Mas mainit pa din sa Pilipinas. As in, masakit siya sa ulo. So, ayun. Let's go to the gym. just got this pass para maka-gym ako dun sa gym across the street. Ayan. There's the gym. Just need to cross the street. So ayun guys, so I need to bring a towel before I can start working out. So I have to go back, yeah, and get a towel. Sabi pa niya, just need to bring a towel. Hindi ko pa naiintindihan. Towel pala. So ayun, balik lang ako saglit sa room ko to get a towel. Ayan. Towel. This one will do. Okay. Balik na. Tuning. Now I'm heading back to the boxing gym. Dito na ako sa gym. Actually, it's pretty good. Ganda. So, marami ding equipment. Akala ko boxing gym lang siya. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna have a good workout here. You know what, guys? Personally, it's really important for me to go to the gym. Kasi, ayokong maba. Like, not in a way, there's nothing wrong. I'm not body shaming ha, pero kasi sa profession namin na pagiging isang captain, maganda kasi tingnan yung fit ka tingnan sa uniform mo, diba? So ayan, share lang. I always see to it na mag-workout, swimming. What I really do is every time na may off ako, as much as possible, pinipili ko talaga mag-workout. Kasi, yun na nga, for, din, para maging healthy ka rin. Yun nga, maganda tingnan sa uniform. And so, I'm almost done with my workout. Few ab workouts na lang ako. And I'm done. Yan. I'm done with my workout. I'm heading back to the hotel na. So, yeah, I had a really good workout. I'm just gonna take a shower. After that, I'm gonna make the vlog. I'm now inside. Oh, yes. It was a good workout. I still can't decide where will I make the vlog. It's either here sa may sofa or there outside sa may veranda. I'm gonna check kung saan yung magandang lighting para first I tingnan. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a shower and then I'll make the vlog. So see you later.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, I just got out from the shower and I already got my gimbal and I'm ready to set up my camera kung saan magandang lighting. So maganda. Okay, so I'm making my vlog here. Hi guys, my name is Dong and welcome back to my channel. So currently I'm here in Brisbane and I'm going to do a question and answer vlog since maganda natin yung English. So I post sa iStories ko sa kung meron kayong questions. So ayun, tapos ko na rin gawin yung vlog. Dami kong bulol-bulol doon. Ang bulol talaga ako magsalita. Talaga sanay magsalita in front of the camera. So ayun lang. Sobrang bored ko na wala na akong magawa and I still don't know what's for dinner. A while ago, I've been watching YouTube tapos tinitingnan ko dun paano magluto ng steak since I bought one. And hindi ko naman pwedeng lutuin yun kasi para yun sa barkada ko sa Cebu. So, what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna head out and go to the grocery and buy kahit sana may isa silang pirasong steak. And then, I'm gonna try to cook one and that's gonna be for my dinner. So, ayun. Wish me luck. Sana meron pang steak and open yung grocery. Yan. So, now I'm gonna head out. Wish me luck, guys. Madaling open sesame. And we're back in the room. Sarado na lahat. Too bad. Napaka-epic feel naman nun. So sad. Hindi ko naman kasi pwede lutuin yung yung steak dito. And I don't have oil, butter, salt, and pepper. Alas, too bad. Okay lang. Sige, manonood ulit ako ng YouTube.